Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a friendly review competition. We have me and my wife. We're doing two reviews on same exact product. I'm doing one, she's doing one. You guys are going to vote who did better. Let me know. Let's do a friendly competition. Let's get to the video.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something really interesting to tell you about. This is a tablecloth cover for a 34 by 34 card table. I was looking for something because I wanted to cover a card table that I own that's really not in the best condition. The top of it is not good, and I wanted this as a Mahjong table. So I picked these up, and I will be honest, they're okay. They do cover the table and they don't slide, but they are pretty cheap. This one came in a 2-pack. Would I recommend it as a permanent solution? No. But if you want to practice, if you're just starting out with Mahjong, if you just want to play any kind of game, it's a good starter. It does hold and they do move. You can see when I'm moving tiles around, there's no issue. So what I want to tell you is it's a decent option. It's an affordable option. I also want to show you that this is what my little Mahjong setup is. I'm new to the game, but I also want to practice when I have a chance. I picked up this light, which I'm going to link below for you. It's great, fits perfectly. As you can see, illuminates the table in the right spot so you can see your tiles and you can see everything. I picked up this really awesome set on Amazon, and great tiles, great set. Comes with the rack, comes with the pushers. And also what I also picked up was this really cool board. It's great to practice the Charleston. It's great to practice solo Maj. All of this is available on Amazon. All of these are reasonably priced and a great way to start. So you've got your tablecloth that covers a table that you may not love, but if you're starting out, it's a great option. You've got your practice board, which you can practice with by playing solo by yourself. You've got a great Mahjong set that works really well, and it's really very nice quality for the price. I love it. It's a basic great set. Comes with the tiles, comes with the racks, comes with everything you need to get going. I'm going to link everything below. As you can see, this is my little section now. I'm going to practice Mahjong. You got to get on the Mahjong train if you haven't. Everyone else is. And these are the solutions that I've come up with to get myself going in a really fun, easy, reasonably priced way. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Are you using a practice board, or are you doing something different to learn? What have you bought for tiles? And what do you think of this? So let me know your thoughts. And don't forget our little light. It sits perfectly over the table and illuminates just enough. I'm linking everything below for you. Again, the Mahjong set, the tablecloth, and the solitaire board, and the light. Those are affiliate links, and I do make a small commission off of those, but it costs you nothing extra, and I do appreciate you supporting our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about this tablecloth. This is for a 34 by 34 card table. It is a vinyl cover. Not the highest quality, honestly, but it's a 2-pack, pretty cheap. But it does do its job. Has little elastics on the side here. Let me just show you. This is all elastic right here. This goes on the edges. This is how it holds it down. And the back has a little felt to it just to help its stability. It's very thin. Just to be clear, I mean, it's not not the highest quality, but it does the job. Let me show you what I'm doing with this tablecloth. I have an old card table, and the top of it was kind of messy. And what I did here, we have a Mahjong table set up. You can see right here, I actually put it on the table, and you can see it's not bad. It's a little wrinkly. It probably will straighten out after time, but you can see I have the Mahjong table here all set to go. We have the practice board right here for the practicing it for the Mahjong. Here are the pushers, here are some of the tiles, but you can see how it looks. It does work really, really well. It's a little elastic right here, you can see. So it does hold it, no problem, all around. You can see, and it looks pretty good. I mean, it's much better. This tablecloth underneath this was kind of rough. This just gives it a better look all around. For the money, it's not the greatest, but it certainly looks better than the other table without the cloth on it. And it works, and everything slides. Everything works, no problem. No issues at all when you're playing with the game. The pushers work. Everything seems to slide pretty smooth, and that was the idea behind it. You can see how that works. You can just push those back and forth. No issues at all when you're pushing the walls. So I'll leave a link down below for all these things here, for the tablecloth, the Mahjong set itself, and also the practice board, which is super important if you're learning, especially if you're playing by yourself. This is a really good way to learn. I guess the Charleston as well. I'm learning all this myself. Keep practicing. It's really important to practice. The practice board, that's what this is for. So I'll leave links for the Mahjong set. I'll leave a link for this practice board, and also for this tablecloth. Like I said, it's for the money. I couldn't find anything a better deal, honestly, and it was a great value. So that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this to help educate you, teach you, and inform you on products like this. This Mahjong set we got online, perfect. This board we got online works really, really well. So if you're looking for a tablecloth cover, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, I'm definitely going to recommend that, because these were really cheap. So that's really important. Mahjong set's awesome. Practice board's perfect, and that's what I have for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave me some comments down below if you have something like this. What do you use? Let me know. What do you use for a cover? Let me know if this practice board works for you. Let me some comments. Let me know if this is something that you like, and I really do appreciate that. And I'll also leave some links down below. Again, they are affiliate links, and I do get a small commission and cost you nothing, and I do appreciate that. And it means a lot to me if you just leave some comments. And also like and share the video. That's what it's about. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next review.